Hi, this is Alex with Tucker USA, and in this video I wanted to walk through what you'll get out of your Tucker cart, DI cart, from the box. So you'll have your system itself here on the cart, and in the box you'll also get a TDS meter to monitor your water quality. It's important to note when you're using this system that actually you'll want to lie it down just to prevent any potential damage by knocking it over accidentally. Simply what you'll do is you'll have your garden hose that's connected to the water source connect into this port, and water will simply go through the system, the single stage system, through the DI resin and come out the male end. And at this point you can either connect it directly to your pole tubing or a hose reel if you have one. One thing to keep in mind when using a DI only is that since it's a single stage filtration, you want to regulate the water pressure coming into the system. If you have too much water going through the system, it's not going to let the resin do its job and you won't have as pure water coming out. So if you notice that the water coming out of your jets is shooting pretty far, just go back to the tap, the water source, and regulate down the pressure so you get an adequate enough flow coming out of your brush. You want to take that TDS meter that you get, and we're going to be checking your water quality coming out of the system. Because once you reach 10 parts per million, that's when you can start seeing water spotting on the windows. And so when you get to that point, that's when you're ready to change out your resin. And to do that, all you need is a 9/16 wrench or a 14 millimeter, and simply remove one of the bolts on the side. Set aside the clamp. You're going to pull off your hub. Take out the spent cartridge. And you have a couple options when you're installing new resin. You can get another sealed cartridge like this one, or you can buy a refillable cartridge and bulk resin. So after you slide in your new one, simply reinsert your hub, get your clamps back on. Put your bolt through. Make sure you put your washer in. Tighten it down. And there you go, you're back to making pure water. So if you have any questions regarding your Tucker DI cart, feel free to reach out to us at 303-663-1779, or you can message us through the website www.tuckerusa.com. Thank you.